Okay, hello. Today what I'm going to do is show you how to remove brake. What we're basically doing is removing the hub. This is a 2006 Kawasaki Mule 610. We want to inspect the brakes to see if they're okay. Need to figure out how to get this hub off of here. This one is in pretty good shape. I've had the back one off already. I'll show you real quick. First thing you're going to need to do is take this rubber center cap off. Once you get that off, this is the nut. I've already loosened it. It's an 1 inch and 16th socket you have to have. Once you get that off, this isn't going to come directly off. Take a cheap puller, loosen the lug nuts. Don't take them all the way off, but loosen them. Just so the wheel rocks. The reason for this is there's slots in the wheel. Going to use a cheap puller. This is very cheap. You can pick this up for about 15 bucks. This puller fits inside these slots. That's why I loosened the lugs, so I can fit this puller into these locks, these notches. Once you get inside the notches, snug it up. Then make sure they're nice and snug inside there. And then slowly turn on this. And what this is doing is it's pulling the hub off. The reason why I'm doing this for you is because I went online and there's not a 610 mule hub removal video yet that I could find. So maybe this will help you out. This one isn't rusted or in bad shape. It's about 7 or 8 years old. Been taken care of. The reason I'm doing this is just to inspect the brakes. We use this quite a bit. I don't want the brakes to fall off and not have a set on hand. The back looked probably about halfway. We'll check the front. Remove that. Now, as you can see, the whole hub will come off with the tire and the rim. We'll look here so you can see. We're going to take a look at the brakes. These brakes are about the same shape as the back ones were.